Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making Heavenly Hash brownies. Enjoy the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you would need brownie mix, marshmallows, sliced almonds, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, eggs, butter, buttermilk, vanilla, and vegetable oil. We're going to start by making our brownies. For this recipe, you can use your favorite brownie mix and follow the directions according to your package. If you're using the same brownie mix as us, in a large bowl, add your brownie mix, 1/4 cup of water, 2/3 cups of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. Whisk until combined. Spray a pan with a non-stick cooking spray. Add your brownie mix to the pan. Bake according to the directions on your package. After the brownies are done baking, leave the oven on. Top brownies with 1 cup of mini marshmallows and bake for 5 to 10 minutes or until slightly melted. Once the marshmallows are slightly melted, remove them from the oven and top with 1 cup of sliced almonds. In a pot, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix ingredients until smooth and well combined, then remove from heat. After removing icing from the heat, slowly add in 2 cups of powdered sugar. Add a half teaspoon of vanilla. Place to the side and allow icing to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Pour icing on top of almonds and spread evenly. Place the brownies to the side and allow them to cool completely before cutting. And there you have it, Heavenly Hatch brownies. We hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Muffins be cooking.